And a lot going on in the forecast. Look at this lightning here from field meteorologist Michael Armstrong. This lightning show happening around 5:30 this morning near Stratford. This is consistent lightning for a few minutes happening here. It wasn't just the lightning and thunder that the storms brought with them. Let's take a look here from our KOCO viewer from Seminole County sending this in. Thank you, Leslie Walton, for this one. You can see some of the hail there that fell in that area. And then this is some hail over in the town of Texana near Lake Eufaula. This was sent by viewer KOCO 5 viewer Marek Sabold. And so, yeah, a lot of activity as you woke up on your Friday. And remember, you can stay up to date on all your current weather conditions with the KOCO app. It's a great tool. You can set up the custom alerts to find out what's happening near you anytime severe weather is heading your way. That app is free to download on any smart device.